Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use or add Android widget. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Android phone, and if we want to add a widget, we just need to tap and hold on any empty area of the home screen. And since we want to add widgets, we can tap on widget option right here and select the widget that you want to add to your home screen, and you can slide your screen like this. And you can select a lot of widgets right here, and for example I'm going to select Telegram widget, so I'm just going to tap on Telegram. Then we can choose the ratio of the widget, and I'm going to select this one, and after that we can click on add. Okay, and wait guys, it's still loading. All right, and this is the preview of the widget, and after that we can click on done right here. Okay, and now the widget has been added to our home screen, and this is the Telegram widget. And if we want to move this widget, we just need to tap and hold on the widget like this. And I'm going to move the widget right here. Okay, guys, and if you want to resize the widget, you can tap and hold on the widget, and you can drag it like this to make it bigger or larger. Okay, and you don't have to open your Telegram if you want to see the Telegram chat. You just need to look at the widget like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can use widget on Android. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.